Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks so much for joining. And I'd certainly love for you to subscribe. Today's video is going to be a short review on a camping purchase that I've made. This is a manual hand grinder for coffee beans. Definitely a necessity when camping. This is made by Daurunfy. Let me get this out of the box and we'll take a good look. Well, there it is. It does come with this cool little scoop, whether you need that or not. There's the handle. Let's take this apart just a bit, take a good look at it. Very simple lid. This is referred to as the silo. That's where your beans are going to go. Inside or at the bottom of the silo is where you're going to make your adjustments. Now this is a budget-minded grinder. I purchased this on Amazon for $13.49. So the point of the review is how well will this operate? And in about 3 months I'll do another review and see how this thing is holding up. The goal today is I'm going to make 3 different adjustments. I'm going to start with a very coarse grind. And then I'm going to crank this wheel down a bit, go to medium grind, crank it down a little more, and go to a finer grind. And you will get to see the results of each one of those grinds. So let me get started. Alright, let's give this Daurunfy manual grinder a test. I have the burr open completely for a coarse grind. Each one of these tests, I will give it 4 scoops of beans. What I'm also going to do is time each grind to see how long this takes. Now on the coarse, with it being wide open, it's going to take less time. So here we go. And we are finished at 14 seconds. Let's take that off. And like I said, this is going to be a coarse grind. There's one. Gonna reset my clock. 4 more scoops. Put the handle on to make this easier to adjust, and I'm going to turn 1, 2, 3 turns. And here we go. Grind number 2. Grind number 2 is 25 seconds. Let's take a look at the size of this one. A little bit smaller. Now if you notice, while I'm grinding, I do seem to slip on the unit a little bit. Now I'm going to continue to remind everyone that this is a budget-minded purchase, so you can't expect too much out of $13.49. Let's get into grind number 3. I'm going to adjust this again. Put the handle on, makes it a little easier to turn this wheel, as I mentioned. I'm going to take that burr down a couple more cranks. 1, 2, 3. So here we go. This is grind number 3. Starting the clock now. Grind number 3 is 42 seconds. we got? Let's move that bean. So there we have it. 3 different sizes of grind. Definitely coarse. I'll call that a medium coarse. And this came out to be close to your everyday coffee grind. I'm sure it could go more fine if you were looking to do espresso. Did I struggle much? I don't think so. I've used other hand grinders before. Again, this is a budget-minded grinder. You can't expect too much out of it, but I feel like it did a pretty good job. Well, I hope this video was of value to you. I will have a link in the description below for the Daurunfy manual coffee grinder. If you enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you choose to do so. Until next time, bye-bye.